So now I'm going to discuss with you the parts and functions of the chloroplast. For the first part, the outer membrane. The outer membrane has several important functions. It acts as a permeability barrier to solutes. It also hinders the entry of some antibiotics and protects the cell wall from lysozyme. For the next part, the intermembrane space. The main function of the intermembrane space is oxidative phosphorylation. Next, the inner membrane. It forms of border to stroma. It regulates the passage of materials in and out of the chloroplast. So this is the stroma. This is an essential part of the chloroplast because not only it contains the enzyme necessary for the carbon fixation, but it also manages the chloroplast response to cellular stresses and signaling between various organelles. It plays an important role in both light-dependent and light-independent reactions of photosynthesis. So this is the thylakoids. It is a tiny compartment found in the chloroplast. It provides a large surface for the light absorption and light-dependent reaction. Thylakoids are usually arranged in stacks or granules and contain the photosynthetic pigment or the chlorophyll. The granules are connected to other stacks by simple membranes or the laminae within the stroma. Chloroplasts have small circular chromosomes known as extranuclear DNA. Chloroplast DNA genes that are involved with aspects of photosynthesis and other chloroplast activities. Translation of messenger RNA into protein is the main step of the regulation of gene expression in the chloroplast, the photosynthetic organelle of plant cells. Translation is conducted by the ribosome, a large macromolecular machine composed of RNA and protein. In plants, synthesis takes place in the chloroplast, which contain the chlorophyll. Chloroplast is a structure within the cells of plants that is the site of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of converting light energy to chemical energy and sorting it into bonds of sugar. Plants will only need light energy, carbon dioxide, and water to make sugar. There are two stages of photosynthesis. First, we have the light-dependent reactions, and second is the light-independent reactions or the Calvin cycle. In the light-dependent reaction, light strikes chlorophyll in such way as to excite electrons to a higher energy state. In a series of reactions, the energy is converted along an electron transport process into ATP and NADPH. Water is key in the process releasing oxygen as a byproduct of the reaction. The ATPH and NADPH are used to make carbon-to-carbon bonds in the light-independent process. So in the light-independent process, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is captured and modified by the addition of hydrogen to form carbohydrates. The incorporation of carbon dioxide into organic compounds is known as carbon fixation. The energy of this comes from the first phase of the photosynthetic process. Living systems cannot directly utilize light energy but can through by a complicated series of reactions, converted it into carbon-carbon bond energy that can release by glycolysis and other metabolic process.